Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So we're in February. Today is February the 4th, 2023, and I did some seed shopping. I got to go to the store the one day, and this one here I got online, and I'll talk about this a little bit later here. So this year we're going to be growing a lot of green beans for canning, so I wanted to make sure we had green bean seeds. This is the Blue Lake variety here. We really like that one for canning. And my dad likes to make a hot pepper relish. They use it like on their subs and different things. I guess you'd call it like a hoagie spread, or yeah, that's what they call them, hoagie spreads. And this here is a hot pepper one that he likes to make. So we got a different variety of hot pepper seeds, and I wasn't sure about the mix, if it was going to be the right one. So when I seen this one here, I went ahead and grabbed a pack of those. This one has an Anaheim pepper, or Hungarian, long slim red cayenne, jalapeno M, and I believe it's pronounced ancho pepper. So that's what he puts in his hot pepper spread. And then I got a bunch of different types of lavender. I'm growing a lot of lavender this year. Something that I run out of a lot, so I want a lot of lavender. I already have some growing, and I've already planted some flats, and I wanted some more, so I got like a bunch of packs of seeds here. This here is an English lavender here. This is Lady Lavender. Lady Lavender does bloom its first year from seed if you start it early enough. I have seen that. I've grown it. Oh gosh, I've been growing Lady Lavender for many, many years now. Over 5 years I've been growing Lady Lavender. So this one here does bloom its first year from seed if you start it early enough. And then I got what they called a True Lavender. And then in my other ones, my mom had gotten me some seeds the one day when I told her what I needed. She got a Munstead lavender seed for me. So hoping to have a lot of lavender this year. And like I said, I already have some flats growing of lavender, and Lady Lavender is one of them. English Lavender is another one. We are growing the Munstead. So I do have videos on my channel for how to start lavender from seeds. I'll put a link down in the description of this video for how I start my lavender from seed, and you can see different germination tips and different things that I have in there that I've learned over the years. And I do grow my lavender now out in the greenhouse, and I have germinated it out there already, but I'll put a link down in the description for my video on how to grow lavender from seed. I also got some more Yarrow seeds. This is a Summer Pastels mix. I don't think I ever grew that mix before, but I use a lot of Yarrow, so I'm going to be growing that Yarrow. And then we got sweet peas. Now these are edible ones. This is a Sugar Daddy pea, and this is 60 days to harvest. We're hoping these are the round potted ones. We've had supply of stringless pods. That's a good thing. You really want stringless pods on your sweet peas, because they can be kind of interesting to eat when they have all the strings in them. And there's a specific one that we like. We're hoping that we found it again, and we're going to be giving these here a try. And then I ran out of bunny tail seeds, so I planted what I had. Went online, ordered my bunny tail seeds. They did come, and I do have videos on my channel for how to start bunny tails from seed, and I do have videos for how to start the Yarrow from seed. So I'll put some links down in the description for some different videos that I have. And I really like bunny tails. It's something that I use a lot, so I wanted to make sure I had enough of these. So this is just some more stuff that I'm going to be growing this year, and I just wanted to share this with you and give you this quick video update. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. Notifies I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.